Welcome back to Joe's Math Tools, where we aim to make math easy. In our session today, we are subtracting mixed fractions with like denominators by converting them first into their improper fraction form. And if you're ready to see how this is done, let's get started. So today we're going to be subtracting mixed fractions by first converting them into their improper fraction form. Now, if you're not familiar on how to convert your mixed fractions into an improper fraction, remember that I do have a video that shows you how you can go about this process. So if you need to pause and then go back and recap, make sure that you do that. So in converting our mixed fraction into an improper fraction, just remember that you always multiply the denominator to the whole number and then add their product to the numerator. So we're going to multiply 8 times 4, which is 32, and 32 plus 7 will equal to 39. And remember that our denominator always stays the same. So we're going to do the same thing to this fraction as well. So 1 times 8 is 8, and 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. So now that our fractions are in their improper fraction form, remember that with fractions, when we're subtracting or adding, once the denominator is the same, we're going to keep that denominator and just subtract our numerators. So 39 minus 11 will equal to 28. And now whenever you have an improper fraction, remember that you have to convert it back to its simplest form. Now you can decide to take you can decide to take either one of the approaches. You can either choose to first simplify the fraction as it is, or you can then convert it back to a mixed fraction and simplify it afterwards. Remember that regardless of which step you decide to do first, you should still end up with the same answer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to now convert my my improper fraction back into its mixed fraction form. So I will be dividing 8 into 28. I remember that 8 goes into 28 three times. 3 times 8 is 24. And 28 minus 4 is equal to 4. So now to set up our mixed fraction, we're going to have our whole number as 3. My remainder, which is my numerator, will be 4, and 8 will remain my denominator. Now, because I have a fraction that's 4 eighths, I can simplify my numerator and denominator by dividing both numbers by 4. And remember that after simplifying your fraction, make sure that the whole number is always returned to your answer. So 4 divided by 4 will equal to 1. 8 divided by 4 will equal to 2. And 3/2 will be my fraction after we have done our subtraction and simplifying our fraction back to its lowest term. Okay, so I hope this video was very helpful to you. I hope you were able to follow along with the steps and work through this fraction seamlessly. Remember that fraction is a very easy topic that just requires a little practice on your part to become a lot better. And when you're ready to learn more about fractions calculations, make sure to return back to Jules Math Tools, where we aim to make math easy.